Guys, we're back again. So, today I'm going to tell about the vacuum cleaner, the portable vacuum cleaner that you can buy in the car. So, this was this I was bought from the car accessory shop. So, it cost around 1000 rupees approximately. So, today I'm going to review this, the portable car vacuum cleaner. So, before starting, all of you please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So, let's get started. So, this is the vacuum cleaner, and this one has a power supply. We should supply this with a 12 volt DC supply in the car, which is this 12 volt power outlet. It should be connected in a 12 volt DC or a this supply from this wire to the port which is there, which I was connected. So, talking about this has a button type opening for this cover. Like this, you can open like this. You press this button, and after opening, this has a net is inside. It's full of dirt, and inside the net you get a glass which I can't open now because it's full of dirt. So as you can see, camera. So I'm fixing it. This is the fan. So this gets this rubber type cleaner which is used to clean the seats, like this, cleaning seats, and it gets a thing which is like this. It is used to clean the dirt which is inside the area which you cannot clean properly. It can clean easily because it has a long mouth like this. So just how we can fit, just see this. Just insert this in the hole. So insert this in the hole, and the press of this button you can start. If you can open this, press this button to open this. This button to start. So I'm going to start. So I find some dirt in my car, full of dirts. There's some dirts there. With the help of this thing we can clean the seats. Inside the seat, if some dirt is there, we can clean. And just do this in camera. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's fitted like this, and this is used to clean seats. A rubber type. can also clean this mat, something mat and etc. It gets a fan which is here. Air will come from here. So I hope all of you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So that's all guys, and we will be soon with the next video. And before all of you, please do subscribe. Bye bye guys, stay tuned.